This image was sent to us by Louie and Brianne, friends of the show. Stick around and I'll give you their address. It'll be fun. The first thing that I like about this image is the lighting. There's just a light coming in from the right here. Since the lighting is the way that it is, it adds to the mood. It really just helps sell the idea that this package is just out in the open. It's tragic. With that, we'll move on to a second thing that I like, and that is that it is center framed. Now what I mean by that is that it's right in the middle of the frame. It's pretty easy. Another thing that I like about this image is just the attention to detail. You can see everything involved with the package. You can see where it was folded over and sealed. You have the label here. Really brings you into the image. Without lighting, you don't have contrast. Without contrast, you don't have detail. Put that on a shirt. That's gonna have to be a large shirt. This show is so off the rails today, it's ridiculous, but that's okay. The first thing that I like is that it's playing within this theme of murder mystery. Maybe not so much mystery, but murder for sure. The overall feeling is very police photo. Like I almost feel like there should be a chalk outline around this bag. What do I mean by that? It's really harsh light, super contrasty. Here's a quick tip. The smaller your light source, the harsher the light. Put that on a shirt. We'll look at the camera phone right here. This is the flash. That's tiny. It has to output a lot of light. When you output a whole bunch of light from a tiny light source, it's harsh. The thing that I do not like, or the thing that could be improved, is a very concrete thing. And we're not talking about the top step. And that thing is the rule of thirds. It should be sitting on this bottom right third. Now, we can use all this for whatever we want. My brain is falling apart. This is the image. Makes me think of like a police interrogation room, you know? Where did you put the package? How many were there? Then the cops walk out and they're like, he's giving us nothing. He's giving us nothing. This is a very good example of the golden ratio. We were talking about this spiral here. That helps lead us through the image. Everything falls within the diagram. If we start here in the middle, we go, okay, packages. We're following this loop here. There's another package. What helps out is this light. As we continue around this curve, we come into this plant, which leads us to the bottom of the frame. If we were designing something, we would put all of our text down here because it's a nice blank area. I like the lighting. I like how harsh it is. What do I not like? The feeling of potentially being murdered in this image. We here at the Amazon Delivery Photo Critique do not endorse murder.